What is it? What is it? It's a sunflower bush, just the regular small sunflowers. I prefer not to let these grow, but they help put nitrogen back in the soil, which is good for other stuff. But what's these awful creatures? At least they're not eating my food plants. Well, that jerk has been eating them, but I don't think these dudes have. Maybe that's an oversized stink bug, all nice and fat off of this leaves of this here, and they sure do get along well. Leaves of this sunflower. I was wanting to take a little video of this thing as a remembrance for a young farmer in Utah who disappeared a couple years ago. And I don't think I'll be posting this little video on the page, because that's a mighty sad looking sunflower. Right here is another one that's not blooming yet, with them same freaky bugs on it. Probably need to get rid of them somehow. And what was that? Is there a lion out in the bushes? No, there's a jerk cat on the fence that just walked through my other garden bed where he doesn't belong. Anyway, time to get me a water hose. There's okra, corn somewhere over here that showed in a separate deal. Learn what is forageable. I've got a playlist on foraging. I've got another one on herbal remedies, medicinals, whatever you want to call it, from a number of good channels that can be very helpful. And might want to get books on that stuff so you got it in hand, or maybe download versions or something. Take a moment to sniff the flowers. Just don't get too much pollen up your nose. Oh, there's the big bad lion. Or is that a tiger? Where's he at? George. Curious Jungle George. Troublesome critter.